Iron reacts with oxygen to produce iron oxide as represented by the equation above. A 75-gram sample of iron is mixed with 11.5 liters of O2 at 2.66 atmosphere and 298 Kelvin. Calculate the number of moles of each of the following before the reaction begins. So I did 75 grams of iron times 1 mole divided by 55.8, and that is equal to 1.34 moles. And then for O2, I did N equals PV over RT. So I did 2.66 atmosphere times 11.5 liters over 0.0821, which is a given, and it's times by 298 Kelvin. And that answer is 1.25. Next question. Identify the limiting reactant when the measure is heated to produce Fe2O3. Support your answer with calculations. So I did 1.34 moles of iron times 1.5 moles O2, and 1.5 is the 3/2. And I did that over 2 moles of iron, and that was equal to 1.01 moles of O2. And so 1.01 is less than 1.25, therefore O2 is not the limiting reactant. So iron is a limiting reactant. The next question is calculate the number of moles of Fe2O3 produced when the reaction proceeds to completion. And there it is. I did 1.34 moles of iron times 1 Fe2O3 moles over 2 iron moles, and that is equal to 0.67 Fe2O3. And the next one is the standard free energy of formation of change of G of Fe2O3 is negative 740 kilojoules per mole at 298 Kelvin. Calculate the standard entropy of formation change of S of Fe2O3 at 298. Include units with your answer. And so the equation is change of G equals change of H subtracting change of S times temperature. And so the change of G was negative 740 kilojoules per mole, and that was equal to negative 824 kilojoules per mole, and then that's subtracted by 298 Kelvin. And so you subtract the 824, well, you add that to the 740, and that equals 84 moles. And then you divide negative 298 by the 84, and then you get negative 0.282. And the last question is, which is more responsible for the spontaneity of the formation reaction at 298 Kelvin? The standard enthalpy of formation, change of H, or the standard entropy of the formation, change of S? Justify your answer. And I said change of H because negative change of S would cause more order, which is not what spontaneity wants. The enthalpy is negative and therefore causes spontaneity.